हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टडी मटेरियल फॉर किड्स। आज हम करेंगे 10 लाइंस ऑन रेनी डे। I love the rainy season. Today is a rainy day. My friends and I play in the rain. We saw a huge rainbow in the sky. The streets are full of water because of rain. My friends and I make the paper boats and make them float in the water. Rains makes the weather so pleasant. I like getting wet in the rain. I enjoy eating hot fries on rainy day. I love rainy day very much. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.